Hello everyone, today I'm going to demo you how I use computer vision to create a canvas. To do this, I just need to put my fingers in front of the camera and I can start drawing.
This is my setup. I will have a logistic camera in front of me. I created a virtual whiteboard. If my finger touched the virtual whiteboard, I can start drawing. The whiteboard is 80 centimeters from my camera.
Now let's start the demo.
Let's start to run the code. My webcam detected my finger movement. It showed the distance between my finger and camera. Let's start drawing. If my finger is touching the whiteboard or less than 80 centimeters from my camera, it will draw.
Thank you for watching the demo. I hope you like it and I will share my code in the GitHub.